Today I am going to take question number 21 of Goel and Goel for partnership firm fundamentals. The question runs as follows. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of their capitals, which were rupees 6 lakh and rupees 4 lakh respectively on 1st April 2018. The partnership deed provides that both partners will get monthly salary of rupees 20,000 each. Interest on capital will be allowed at the rate of 8% per annum. A will get a quarterly rent of rupees 24,000 for the use of his property by the firm. On 1st July 2018, A and B granted loans of rupees 1 lakh and rupees 50,000 respectively to the firm. During the year ended 31st March 2019, the firm incurred a loss of rupees 17,250 before any adjustments is made as per partnership deed. So you see, students, here a loss is occurring, and in such a case the salary and interest on capital cannot be appropriated because there is no availability of profits. You see, the appropriation is possible only and only when the profits are available. If there is no availability of profits, then in that situation no appropriation towards the partners can take place. However, the other things or charge against the profit is to be considered as usual in the profit and loss account. So you see, we will deal the situation in the profit and loss account. On the credit side, the loss is there rupees 17,250, that is to be put on the debit side in the profit and loss account. Then rent is to be paid to the A because he is getting 24,000 on account of rent, and his premises have been used by the firm, so it's a charge against the profit. So 24,000 into 4 quarters are there, 96,000 on account of the rent. Then to interest on loan, A and B both have provided loans to the firm. A has provided 1 lakh at the rate of 6% because no rate has been given. Then in that situation, at the rate of 6% per annum will be applicable, and it has been provided for 9 months, so it becomes 4,500. And for B, the amount is 50,000, the loan amount is 50,000. At the rate of 6% for 9 months, it becomes 2,250, combinedly 6,750. And totally, the debit side total becomes 1,20,000, which is a loss, is to be shared in their capital ratio, that is 6 lakh and 4 lakh, that is 3:2 in 72,000 and 48,000. Then you see question number 23. X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2 with capitals of rupees 10 lakh and rupees 5 lakh respectively. As per the partnership deed, they are to be allowed interest on capital at the rate of 8% per annum. The net profit for the year ended 31st March 2016 before providing for interest on capital amounted to rupees 45,000. Show the distribution of profit. So you see here, the availability of profit is rupees 45,000 only. However, at the rate of 8% on rupees 10 lakh, the interest on capital will be 80,000, and on rupees 5 lakh, it will be rupees 40,000. So 80,000 and 40,000, it becomes 1,20,000. However, the profit available is only rupees 45,000. So whatever profit is available, only that much can be appropriated towards the partner. So if there is no availability of profit, it cannot be apportioned, it cannot be appropriated towards the partner. So you see, the calculation of interest on capital at the rate of 8% for X, it becomes 80,000, and for Y it becomes 40,000. Totally it becomes 1,20,000. So you see, the total interest on capital is rupees 1,20,000. However, profit available for appropriation is only rupees 45,000. Thus, the available profit will be apportioned in 80,000 is to 40,000 or 2:1, that is there in the ratio of their interest on capital which is due towards them. So you see, the 45,000 is to be distributed by profit and loss in the profit and loss appropriation account, 45,000 on the credit side, then debit side to interest on capital, because only 45,000 is available, so that much can be apportioned, that much can be appropriated towards the partners. So it will become 2/3, 30,000 for X, and for Y it will become 15,000, so 45,000. So up to the extent of rupees 45,000 only, the profit can be apportioned, the profit can be appropriated. Otherwise, whatever their dues are there, that cannot be satisfied with the available profit.